this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have John back with us today for his fourth and final adjustment. John flew all the way over here from Northern California to see us for multiple lumbar degenerative disc disease with spinal canal stenosis and low back pain, SI joint pain going down into his butt and his legs. John, how have you done this first 4 visits here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
Unbelievable. It's a 100% change in my well-being, I guess. I have no more pain. It's just...
And you've been dealing with this for how long?
Over 10 years.
Yeah, and you've had how many sessions on the DRX 9000?
28 sessions on the
DRX 9000.
9000 and multiple chiropractors
and medical doctors.
Yeah, the doctors weren't doing anything for me, and I was kind of at this is my last resort. My family and friends kind of thought I was crazy coming here, but you know, I researched it out, and you know, when you have a problem, you got to get the best, and I got the best. I can guarantee you that right now. I've never experienced anything. You know, I've been to a lot of chiropractors, and it's I've never felt like this.
Well, thank you for those words. Appreciate that, and I'm so happy for you that this trip hopefully has been well worth the trip and the money you spent doing it.
It's my best money I ever spent. I'm reclaiming 10 years of, you know,
your life,
of my life back, that I can
getting your life back,
getting it back, and do the things that I need to get done.
Great. Well, let's show them how we did that. Okay, let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me. Yep. Boy, you're much more centered. Do you see that? And down here too. You got space now. Margaret, have you seen a difference in him this week?
Oh yes, definitely. I can tell he feels better.
Yeah, good. Okay, so John, let's come over here and decompress you. He has a significant degenerative disc disease in the lumbar spine from L2 all the way down to S1. Let's go ahead and slide down this way a little bit. And as a result of that, he's been putting in his forward head posture, he's been putting a lot of stress and strain on the ligamentum flavum, which is hypertrophied. That means it's increased in its size. There, slide down underneath just a little bit more. And that has created what is known as spinal canal stenosis, which also is a very serious spine condition. There we go. John's like a lot of patients that we see from all over the United States and all over the world, really, who come here kind of as a last resort before resorting to surgery or other more radical means of treatment. And we hope that when you come here, there you go. Good. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yep.
Yeah, home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. I can't wait to get my new pins. All right. There we go. There, super. So what would you describe as the most significant difference in how I treat you rather than the other chiropractors you've seen in the past?
Well, I mean, the most significant is what you just did.
The spinal decompression?
But you treat from head to toe.
Yeah, the whole body.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're able to sleep the night through now, you said?
Yeah, no tossing and turning.
Great. Left leg's still just about 1/4 of an inch short. That gets even. That probably still tightens up a tad. There's L5, there's L4, L3, L2. Then we're going to get in that lower thoracics. Yes, sir. There. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. Slide down just a tad. There you go. Good. Slide down just about another inch and put your arm straight out. In my 36 years of practicing, I have developed a lot of these techniques on what I learned at Palmer College of Chiropractic and postgraduate education seminars around the world. And my mentor, Dr. Dan Murphy, up in Auburn, California. There we go. So the culmination of all the things that I'm doing on John. There we go, good. Should have felt that all the way up. Okay, let's sit you up and face your lovely wife. There we go. There it is. Okay. Okay, let's stand you up here in front of the mirror. And I'm going to do that again, where you flex your head forward and backwards for me. Look how much straighter you're standing already. There, good. Pull these up and back. And see, we've shown him corrective mirror image exercises that he should be doing at home to help stabilize this condition and retrain his musculoligamenous system to hold his spine in this newly aligned position. There, okay. Now, try that same thing again. Oh yeah, smooth as silk. Did you feel any kinks at all right there?
Butter.
Good. Margaret, would you mind coming over here?
Not at all.
So you guys have been here in Houston all week this week, and you've been here every day for 4 days in a row.
Yeah.
Would you mind sharing with our YouTube fans worldwide your experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief from the time you started trying to schedule your appointment until today?
Well, I did all the scheduling.
Was it hard?
Not at all. Renee she got back to me via email. I never spoke to her on the phone, but I'm an email person, and I had no problems at all. We flew in. They're super nice. Everyone's nice here in Houston, and John definitely feels better, so it was well worth the trip.
So you're going back home with a new man?
Yes, I am, and our anniversary's Monday, 30
happy
years,
anniversary.
so he's going to be like he was 30 years ago.
There you go, great. It's nice to turn back the clock, isn't it?
Hey, give her a shot.
Yeah. So would you say this last resort ditch effort worked for you?
Absolutely worked. I guess it was the last ditch, resort. But like I said, if you have a problem, you got to seek out the best solution to your problem, and you by far are the best solution to my problem.
Well, thank you very much. We appreciate you guys both being here. We've enjoyed you being here, and happy anniversary to the both of you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. John, I'm really happy for
Thank
you too. And for all our Southern California friends and fans, we really are praying for you with the wildfires that are going on down there, because we have family down in that region as well. And if you want to come see us, go to our website at advancedhoustonchiropractor.com and fill out a new patient request form, and Renee or Greg will get back to you within 24 hours to 48 hours of you sending that email form on our website. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.